Oh, you see a train?
Yeah.
Follow the train, Jakers. This is the Baltimore train station. He's having a field day. What do you see, Jakers?
Train! A train! Train coming! Train coming!
Papa bought him a train hat.
Train coming! Train coming! Look! A train! A train!
Well, follow it down.
Train gone.
Just wait, it's coming.
Train's very good. This train's good. Train go home.
He's going home.
Yes.
Here it comes, it's coming. You see it? It's right coming.
Hello.
Bye. The train. They look here. No, the train. Come back.
Watch yourself.
The train.
You'd like this job. It's like having fun.
Boat.
You got plenty of stools here, Dardar. Go catch what that man's doing. He's putting new ones up, Dardar. Come here, puppy. Catch what he's doing. Jakers. If you were old enough, you could ask questions.
My train is right there.
I know.
Train is going.
He's making a
A train.
difference.
There's a train.
There it goes.
Train's coming down.
Yeah, you can have fun here. This is more fun.
Oops, nice train.
Your Papa will probably buy you one when we get a big house. And
Yep.
You can have it set up, and then you can watch it and play with it and not have to tear it down every day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great, this one.